In this flipped classroom presentation, students will learn what retailing is and how retailing is done in a variety of ways. Retailing can be described as the methods used by consumers to acquire products or goods and services. Let's first discuss the businesses involved in getting the product from the producer to the consumer. This is called the distribution channel. Before a product is ever purchased, a producer takes raw materials to create a product. These producers sell their finished product to a wholesaler or retailer. A wholesaler is an organization that buys products in bulk from the producer and then sells it in smaller units to retailers. A retailer either buys the product from the producer or the wholesaler and then sells it at an inflated price to the end user. When a product is sold directly from the producer to the consumer with no middleman involved, it's known as direct sales. The theROARstore, because it's a retailer, is involved in indirect sales. We sometimes purchase products directly from the producer, but in most cases, especially when it comes to a branded product, purchase from a wholesaler first before inflating the price and selling it to our consumers. It's likely that you spent time in a variety of different types of retailers. Here's how many of them are categorized. The goal of a convenience store is to provide their customers a convenient shopping experience. These general merchandise stores are easily accessible and small in size, with quick shopping and easy checkouts, and include companies like Quick Trip, 7-Eleven, and Casey's. Department stores are classified as general merchandisers. They offer good service and a broad variety and assortment of products of mid to high quality. They include Macy's, Nordstrom, Bloomingdale's, Sears, and Kohl's. Discount stores are retailers that offer a broad variety of merchandise, limited service, and low prices, and include companies like Target and Walmart. Specialty stores focus on a deep but narrow assortment of products with a high level of customer service. While they're evolving to encompass many aspects of convenience stores, pharmacies fall into this category. They include Walgreens, Sephora, and Ethan Allen, to name a few. Thrift stores sell secondhand clothes and other household goods, typically to raise funds for charitable institutions. The products are usually donated by individuals and businesses rather than purchased from a wholesaler or producer. They include Goodwill and Salvation Army. Off-price retailers offer brand name merchandise at a discount. The first of these is a closeout store, which offers name brand merchandise at a significant discount. It includes Marshalls and TJ Maxx. Outlet stores are off-price stores that are owned by the manufacturer or retailer and include Nike outlets and Nordstrom Rack. A supermarket is a store that sells a wide variety of goods including food, alcohol, and medicine and resembles most of today's grocery stores. It includes Kroger, Publix, and Hy-Vee. A supercenter is a store that typically combines a supermarket and a department store, resulting in a gigantic retail footprint. Typically, you can find apparel to groceries to automotive supplies all under one roof. This includes Walmart Supercenters, Super Targets, and Fred Meyers. A wholesale club is a wholesaler disguised as a retailer. It sells products in large quantities to their consumers. It includes Costco and Sam's Club. A pure play retailer is a retailer that started online and continues to do all of their business this way. Zappos, the online shoe company, is a great example of this. And finally, we have direct sales. With direct selling, salespeople contact customers directly in a convenient location, often at a customer's home, demonstrate the product's benefits, take orders, and even deliver the products or perform the services there in their home. This includes Mary Kay, Avon, Pampered Chef, and Scentsy. Now that we have a good understanding on the variety of ways that retailing is done, let's look at the specific ways and methods used to sell a product. These are called retail channels. The most traditional form of retailing is through a physical location, or store. It's called brick and mortar. Brick and mortar refers to the elements that are typically used to hold the store together. The more modern way to retail is through an online store, otherwise known as e-commerce. While not as popular on a large scale, many individuals still prefer non-store retailing. This includes direct sales, as previously mentioned, direct mail or catalog sales, vending machines, home shopping networks, and telemarketing, or sales over the phone. Multi-channel retailing means that a variety of retailing methods are used, but all of the inventory is unique to each method and is completely disconnected from one another. And while a variety of retailing methods are also used in omnichannel retailing, all of the inventory is connected and shared, providing the customer with a seamless experience.